And when you're a kid and you're in an airport, you don't say, hey, I want to work on airplanes. You go, hey, I want to be a pilot, because that's who you see. I'm June Elizabeth Collins, and I'm an aircraft maintenance supervisor. I actually started in '99 working for American Eagle. I actually came in as a cleaner while I was in school to get my A&P. You can never go wrong with any kind of math and science education. I find that they're important just in the sheer fact that they open the eyes of the young folks to what's out there that is more technical and not traditional roles that people may take. Gives young ladies a little more self-esteem knowing that, hey, I can do that. What makes our operation here work is all the different folks that we have coming together with one job in mind, and it's to get the aircraft done, out on time, and good. And everybody putting forth their ideas as to how we can make the process better. It's that diversity of thought that makes that happen. Well, I think aviation is a great career. There's so many different facets of what you can do that there's bound to be something for just about everybody. I started in this career field in 1986. Attitudes were a lot different then. People are more approachable now, and I think young people need to do that. Ask the guys that have been around a while for help and assistance. They're great guys, and they got you back. I wouldn't have thought 30 years ago when I first started working aircraft that I'd actually be in a supervisory position in this career field. So the opportunities are there. For the women that came before us, they made it happen.